Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Alright, so let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it and tap on edit in the middle. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera icon, and now you can either take a photo or choose the photo from the gallery. I will take a photo, so our device will immediately open the camera app. Let me just catch a photo. We've got it. So now we can tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. Now we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, and this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out by pinching the fingers, and after positioning it, just tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. Tap on the tick icon again, and we've got our photo assigned. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.